Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to sign into YouTube account on TV. It's very easy to do. Just what you have to do first, go to tv.youtube.com, and from the home page you have to select sign in. If you select this, then you will see this page where the put a steps guide. First, go to tv.youtube.com/start on your mobile device or computer. After if you go to this URL from your mobile or browser, then you will see this page, and enter the code from here. You see this here. This code is your activation code. Enter the code here, then select next. Then you will see your Gmail ID. For select then select your Gmail ID which you want to use for your YouTube TV. Then select continue, and you can watch YouTube TV from your TV. And that's it. That's how you can sign in to your YouTube account.